Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today we are going to make one of my favorite kinds of cards. It is a shape card. So this is what the card looks like. And you open it up and it's the shape of a butterfly. I just love that. I think it's so sweet. To make this, I got out my layered butterfly dies. So I used this large layer. This layer cuts out these. Whoopsie, hit my mouse. So you get this. I used avocado color paper, cardstock from Close to My Heart, and it's two-toned. So you can see this is the true tone and the lighter tone gives you that nice contrast. Then the next layer down, I did, and again, the avocado, I used the light side, and that is cut out using this thin cut die. We call them thin cuts. Sometimes I say both. Then the last most delicate thin cut or die, I used our black glitter paper. Now, isn't that stunning? I just love it. This is, if you go to my site, my store, barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com, and up in the search bar, type in butterfly. This will show up. All of the different items that Close to My Heart carries that have butterflies will show up, but this thin cut set does show up there and you can order it. It was a part of a special, but they still have these in stock. So get it while you can. And that's what this series is. Get it before it's gone, because we will be having a new catalog pretty soon. And things at this point are as available. They aren't going to reorder more of these. So this is awesome. I also use the small butterflies all the time. There are 2 layers to the small butterflies. So this is a workhorse of a good basic thin cut or die set. So let's get started on the card, shall we? I've got the bottom layer. I'm using the lighter color as my bottom. Of course, this is all up to you. And I have my trimmer. This is one that Close to My Heart carries. It's a Fiskars. You can probably go to your Joann or wherever and get it on sale, however it works best for you. What I'm doing is I want to give myself about a 1/2 inch of a fold, a hinge, as it were. So I've got the 1/2 inch sticking up here, and at the bottom I am just picking this line that's closest, and I am lining up the bottom of my butterfly to try to square it off so that my card opens and closes. And I'm using my bone folder, and I'm just giving it several light passes. Now we're done with this, and here you go. You can see those folds, and you fold them back. I gently work the paper a little bit just to get it moving, and they will fold to the back. And here again, you can see that contrast between the front and the back side of our paper. So we've got our little folds made. The next thing we need to do, get that out of the way, got my glue. And all you do is you add glue to the top tab that we created. So above that fold line. If you put glue down here, you'll glue your card shut. That is not helpful. It's not handy. You place your next layer on top. I chose to do the dark side here. Simple as that. Then you open it up, and you can use your bone folder again to give it a little encouragement. And that's how that looks. So that gives you your base. The next thing you have to do, I like to do this next, glue my top layer here, and I am using a liquid glue. You use whatever you want to use, whatever works best for you. I like this little fine tip. This is some glue that I got online. It's called Art Glitter Glue. Don't know if it's still available. It seems like there's been a bit of a replacement of this, but I have a couple of refills, so I won't go investigating until I need to. But I know close to my heart sells the Tombow Mono Multi Glue, and that would probably work fine as well. I just really, really have found this metal tip to be the bomb.com for me. I'm just getting glue around here, hitting most of the highlights. It doesn't have to have complete coverage. So you've got your second layer, and I like to line up the body in the middle and then work my way around. It's okay if a little glue comes out. These dry. This glue dries clear. So then you've got that layer. Here you can see I've got, sliding a little bit. I again line up the middle and work my way out. There should be a little bit of a reveal around there, around the outside, and there is. And that's it, a simple butterfly card. Now I can't tell you why I know this, but I know that if you are a fan of shaped cards, stay tuned for the new catalog that will be coming out September 1st. I can't tell you what's in there, but I can tell you that it might have something to do with shaped cards. So cute, so adorbs. So there you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.